Hey, yous guys. Hey, how's it going? We've got a quiz today. This is quiz 3 for algebra. And I'm going to work with you the odd ones. Now, you might just think, oh, wow, there's only 5 questions. Well, don't forget the back page. Okay. We're going to work this slowly and surely. Today, I've got little sheepies. I think those are sheepies. On my pencil. And so let's work through this. Okay, number 1. What is the best choice to describe this solution? Again, just like in 12.6, we are looking for this guy. We're looking for all the business that's going to be underneath that, right? So again, that's b squared minus 4ac. Now, it's important to know that we are set equal to 0. So this is our quadratic formula in standard form. So b squared is 25. Actually, why don't I just do it from the beginning so that way we're not skipping any steps. So that's going to be 5 squared minus 4. A is 3. C is 2. That's going to equal 25 minus 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. This is going to equal 1. 1 is greater than 0. It is also a perfect square, so we are going to have 2 rational solutions. X, right, in this case, x would equal, that doesn't matter. This is just going to describe our quadratic. It's a positive, right? You could double check your notes from yesterday. Moving on. Numbers 2 and 3, it asks you to use the quadratic formula. Again, the quadratic formula, that's where x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2 times a. Okay. Go ahead and work on number 2. Now, number 3, we are not set equal to 0, so I need to do that. Our formula in this case is 2x squared plus 9x minus 4. Okay. So I'm going to have, let me start here, negative 9 plus or minus the square root of 9 squared minus 4 times a times negative 4 all divided by 2 times 2. Okay. Now that I've plugged it in, I need to simplify the radical. So I'm going to rewrite negative 9 plus or minus the square root. Okay, so 9 squared is 81 minus 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times negative 4 is negative 32. Negative 32. All divided by 4. This is going to be pretty. Okay, I'm going to come up here. 9 plus or minus square root. That's going to be positive. Let's see, I don't know. 81 plus 32 is, that's 3. 23. Oh, that's a 1. 23 is the square root of 123. All divided by 4. Now let's see. I might be able to simplify 123. 123 let's see, I could divide a 3 out of that. What does that equal? 3 goes into 4, so 41. Let's see. No, I can't simplify that either. Okay, so it's just going to be this. X equals. Oh, I did that wrong. I'm sorry. That should be 113. My bad, my bad, my bad. But still 113 cannot simplify. So x is going to equal -9 plus or minus square root of 113. I added incorrectly, forgive me. Divided by 4. And this is our answer. Okay. Number 4, use the method of your choice. Again, start with the AC method. That's number 1, AC method. And if you'd like, you could use completing the square. Again, we have y, so we're going to need y equals this or that. Give me 2 answers, por favor. Okay, number 5. What are the dimensions of a rectangle? So again, dimensions, length and width, whose perimeter is 70 inches and whose area is 300 inches squared. So what we're looking for is length and width. Okay. Now, we know 2 formulas for the perimeter and area of a rectangle. So perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, and area equals length times width. Okay. Now, the reason why I'm writing it out is because I just want to be able to see things clearly. I know that I'm going to need to use both of these, but I don't know which one first. So why don't I solve for perimeter, trying to limit my variables to only one of them. I think once I do that, it'll be a little bit easier for me. So I'm going to plug in what I know. So 70 inches, 70 equals 2 length plus 2w. Now I can't simplify this. All of these are even, so I'm going to divide everything by 2. It's going to give me 35 equals length plus width.